Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing side hustles, which are a great way to add new revenue streams and also some excitement to your life. We'll break down the two major categories of side hustles and walk through some examples of side hustles to determine what's best for you. When I think of side hustles, I typically lump them into two easily identifiable categories. The first category being working for an established gig company, and the second is taking the reins and offering a product or service by your own means. But with existing platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace, this might be easier than you think. These are some side hustles that I find relatively easy and lets you get creative with how you're going to monetize your life. So let's start with category one. Gig jobs like Uber, DoorDash, and Wag.com make it easy to start making money through an established means. You can sign up for these jobs and start earning money relatively quickly, making this a great option for people who want to start earning cash in a structured manner. This can be perfect for people who are looking to make a set amount of money in a set time, or those who just want to earn some extra cash in their free time. The biggest downside to gig-based work is that it's often difficult to separate your time from your money. In essence, the money that you earn is closely tied to the number of hours you work, making scaling your income pretty challenging because your time is limited. This doesn't mean that gig-based work isn't lucrative, but it does mean that if you have broader dreams of scaling out a little bit more, the concepts we discuss in category 2 might be better for you. And let me just say that outside of earning money, gig-based jobs can actually be a great way to just spend your time. You feel productive making money instead of watching Netflix, and driving Uber gets you to mingle with new people, and Wag.com lets you play with cute puppies. So there are definitely benefits outside of the money. But if you have broader dreams of scaling up, category 2 might be for you. Category 2 of side hustles involves ways that you can work for yourself to generate income streams. These side hustles are typically the ones that I find most fulfilling, and that $100 that you make a month from working for yourself can be a lot more rewarding than the $1,000 that you make from your day job. There's just something really empowering about taking charge and making money for yourself. So let's take a step back and break down the ways that you can do this for yourself. At the end of the day, category 2 side hustles are you offering a product or service to your clients in exchange for monetary compensation. In the past, this may have required a physical store or studio, but with modern tools from the digital age, you can market yourself and find your audience to scale in whole new ways. So let's first discuss products you can actually sell. Physical products can be something that you make, you flip, or you buy in bulk and resell on Amazon or eBay. Products you can make yourself can be a really fun way to create a business. Platforms like Etsy and Facebook Marketplace make it really easy to sell your product online. And you don't even have to be an artist to do this. If you have tools like a cheap 3D printer or even a bedazzler, you can easily find a low-skill, neat project that people are willing to pay for. Tailoring products to a specific fan base is a great way to find a niche and start selling a whole lot of products. Flipping products involves buying something used and selling it for a profit elsewhere. This can be fun if you like going to garage sales, looking at local auctions, or finding stuff in your home that you don't use anymore. I recently sold my old iPod Nano on eBay, and I was able to get a $40 profit for it. This iPod was sitting in my junk drawer for years, and now that I've sold it on eBay, that $40 that I made is in the stock market. As far as things to sell, bicycles, electronics, and antiques are all great things to sell online for a profit. If you live close to a city, it's often pretty profitable to go outside the city limits to buy something and then sell that same item inside the city limits for a larger price. Location matters, and you can charge a premium just for being close. People tend to think about flipping larger items like houses or cars, but it's often easier to start with the smaller items. Dropshipping, or buying in bulk and reselling on Amazon or eBay, is a great way to start making quick money. If you look on sites like Alibaba, it's easy to see how cheap items can be when you buy in bulk. With Amazon dropshipping, the most time-consuming part is packaging and shipping. So this is an extremely easy way to start generating passive income. As far as what to sell, take a look at some of the items that you've bought on Amazon within the past year. Chances are you bought it from somebody doing exactly what I just described. And if you search for those items on Alibaba, you can do it too. Services are another great way to make money from a side hustle. I like services because it removes the headache of managing physical goods. You don't need to make any upfront purchases besides equipment you might need. There's less risk of your product not selling, there's no shipping expenses, and scalability is a lot easier. To figure out what services you can offer, take a look at your background. Did you play tennis in high school? You could offer tennis lessons at a local park. Were you any good at math? Start a Facebook business to tutor kids in your local town. Were you bit by the travel bug? Start a travel blog and equip Google AdSense for ad money. Services can be as basic or as advanced as you want them to be. Websites like Wix make creating subscription services easy, allowing you to create a platform to sell your services to a large audience professionally and with ease. This allows you to monetize what excites you and what you already have knowledge in, all while helping people with similar passions, which feels great too. If you have any other side hustle ideas you would like me to talk about, please leave those in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.